Hi my loves, how you doing today? We got another video and this is the Model One's little gift set. I paused it for you so you guys could go in there. If you guys order from them, it's a limited offer. Just hurry up before it's over. So in this kit you get solid gels. You get 6 of them and you get 2 glitter ones as well. And you get some, I think 15 milliliter polygels, I believe. And you get some cleansers and everything, and you get a top and base coat. And I really love this kit because you get a lot in it, and the polygel goes on really good. It's like it's nice and smooth and everything. So I did a set and I used clear and pink. I wanted to try all these beautiful colors, you guys. I wanted to like do a set with each of them, but I just did one at a time. So I think 2 of these colors actually look alike, and I will show you like later in the video, but 2 of these colors are like very similar. And I feel like these colors are like pastel kinda, but like on the pale darkish side, I guess. You guys look at that glitter. Oh, and you got some more goodies inside. You got the 180 grit. You get a little dusty. You got some rhinestones, some forms. You got cuticle pushers, and you got some tweezers, and you get a little mini UV lamp. I was gonna try that mini UV lamp out as well. I got 2 of those, but they're not from Model 1. And the first one I got, I dropped it on the floor, and everything on the inside just broke apart. And then the second one, it just stopped turning on. I don't know what happened. So hopefully this one lasts a little longer. So right here, I'm just going to do some swatches for you guys so you can see what each color looks like. And the first color we're doing is number 27. Um, I don't know how to describe this color. It's kind of like an earthy tone color, I guess you could say. It's like more earthy to me. I think all these colors kind of are. Now we got this like bluish gray looking one, you could say. And I really like this color. It's like more of a winter color, you could say. I don't really have no gray, so I thought this was like a perfect color that I could have and start with. And then you got this pink. I like this pink as well. And I think that's what I used on my hands, you guys. This is going to be like a 2-parter, so I have that, the swatches and everything, and me trying the polygel, and then the second video is like me actually doing a design, Christmas design for you guys. So I guess I'm about to shut up for a little bit. Oh, here we go. These two, like you could tell in the camera, you could tell them apart, but like in person, it's a little harder to tell. And you can see I kind of, dang, my phone keep going off. You guys, it just keep going off constantly. So I don't have to anybody else. So when I get home, it connects to the Wi-Fi automatically. Like my phone did it for me without my permission. Because sometimes I don't like to connect, so I have to turn that off. It just told me that we turn on your Wi-Fi automatically when you get home. To whatever location, whatever you use the most, it turns on automatically. And I didn't feel like that's invaded my privacy. So you guys, I'm loving this pink one. Like it's calling me. I think I'm becoming a pink lover. Like, Blues, you better step your game up. Like, for real. I'm about to turn. I like how the silver has some blue in it too as well. So I decided to put some black underneath it because I forgot, so you guys can really see it pop. And there you go. We'll see how each one look on my nails. You can see my nails are done. That's what I did. I did the swatches after I did my nails, but that would be in this video. So stay tuned. It's about to come up, you guys. All right. So right here, I'm using the, ooh, don't ask me what that says because I don't have it in front of me and I'm not pausing the video, but it's a bonder and a rubber base coat. I got off AliExpress. I did a video opening these. I have that in the builder gel. I actually did a video on it and it got deleted somehow. I was just trying it out, but it really works. It really does. I like their brand so far. So right here, my thumb, it cut off, but basically I was using the form to do that nail because it was so short. So right here, I'm putting on the bond. I already put the hydrator on, dehydrated my nails. So I'm putting the bonder, which is basically primer. I guess it's all the same thing, but I did 2 coats of those because I don't know, it's just my nail bed is like, it gets super oily like really fast. It gets that and really dry at the same time. I don't know, it's like really weird. So right here I'm just applying the base coat right now. I'm like flash curing each nail for like 10 seconds, I believe. You see I'm trying to multitask and get the other stuff prepared. So I think this company is like fairly new. I'm not really sure, but I'll leave the link to their page on AliExpress for you guys. You guys can check them out. I got some more stuff coming from them, so I'm gonna do a video on that as well. And you see their bottles are like super big. They're like a full-size bottle and they're super cheap, you guys, like for real. I was very surprised. So right here, I'm actually doing my nails, you guys. I'm showing you. So what happened here, like when I actually show you guys me doing my nails, the camera was blurry the whole time. So it's, I don't know. I tried my best to show you guys what I was doing. But right here in the instructions, it said try the base coat as a slip solution. So that's what I'm doing right now. If you see me putting something on there. I think I kind of made a mistake because it was kind of hard to do. I think I should have put the base coat on the actual brush instead of put it on the polygel. I think it would have went on a whole lot better. So you see it get kind of blurry and I'm out of view, you guys. I'm sorry about that. But we're almost done. We'll go to the second nail in a second. Dang, I thought I cut this all out, you guys. I'm sorry. You can skip ahead like a minute if you want to. I'm too tired to edit this part out, honestly. Yeah, this nail was like a real struggle, you guys. It's just trial and error. I think if I try it again and actually put the base coat on the brush itself, it'd probably be a little better. So I cure each one for like 10 seconds because I have a 75 watt nail lamp, I believe. I think it's 75 or 80. So I didn't want to, you know, it don't really take that long to cure, but yeah. I just love polygel, you guys. It's like you could do pretty much anything with it. And I like this polygel. Like it evens out really, really good. Like, you know, some, like when you use the slip solution, like the alcohol, whatever, you get like sometimes these little remains of the liquid and like little dots, whatever. If you just let it sit for like, after you do that, if you just let your nail sit for like 10-15 seconds before you cure it, all that will go away and smooth right out. Trust me. Because I was like, I don't like how it looks, and when it cures, you can see it, and it just looks, I don't know. That's what I learned. So right here, I made this nail actually a little bit longer. I'm not sure if I was able to pick it up or not, because as I said, a lot of the stuff was kind of blurry. But I think this is the like clearest nail you're going to get, you guys. Like, I'm loving this pink color. I like the pink colors that are kind of see-through. I don't know, I think this will go good with my complexion. So for my ring finger, I'm using my clear polygel. I like this one a lot. Like, it's so easy to work with. It's like the perfect ratio. I don't know. But with my but my index finger, the forms were kind of, it was a little curved a little bit, so that nail came out a little curved. It's okay, but I don't really like the curve look. Like, it starts to curve. Just my preference, and I feel like I work better with the nails being more straight, if that makes sense. So the video I cut off, as always, battery died, and I want to show you guys the finished look. This is just temporary. I had to go to work the next day, so I just filed down as much as I could and put some regular top coat, simple colors, quick dry, regular polish. Like, look how shiny it is, you guys. Like, that clear top coat is like something else. Like, it really is. It does start to fade like after some days, but that first day, look how that looks. That looks so, I can't say the word no more, but it starts with an S. You know what I mean? But it's so bomb, you guys. But yeah, I put the oil on around my cuticles, and right here I kind of messed up. There's a bubble behind it, so I was like, but oh well, it's temporary. I'll fix it later. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I already edited the other video, so it will be up later in the day, or it'll be the next day of me actually doing design on the nails. And I think I'm about to change the shape as well. But yeah, I wore these nails for like just like that for like 5 days, and then I didn't know what to do with them. So I asked a couple of you guys on Instagram, and you told me to do some Christmas nails, so that is what I did. And yeah, I love that pink. It's really pretty. Alright, you guys, I'll talk to you later in the next video. Alright, stay blessed. Bye.